All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and trade EU for London. We're gonna teach you how to trade EU. So what you do with EU, you're gonna line them up, right? This is the EU dollar strategy. I got you. So first thing you want to do with the dollar, you want to figure out where the dollar is going. So the dollar is the Michael Jordan. Hold on, let's stop this nigga from talking to. Let's stop. What is he saying? He's looking at sales for GU. Okay, bad. We might just take this trade. Hold on. But see, he don't go in the trade right away. He's patient. This is what I like. Like even though that's in his zone, he just don't take the trade for, oh, it got to my zone. It has to drop. No, he waits. He waits. He's patient. That's what real traders do. They wait it out. You know, they see confluences. They look at reaction. But right now, look, it's super bullish. Like he's not gonna touch it. It's super bullish. Like he knows it's bullish, right? He's not gonna touch that. He waits to see like a nice, like pullback or something. You know, you just don't go for the trade right away. Patience is the key, guys. You want to become a forex trader, you gotta have patience.
Slam it down right now again. We'll be patient. We still got 3 minutes left in this candle.
Patience. He's patient. He said it. He said it. Look, and if you look at it, it's like an order block over here, order block over here, double top. So there's a lot of liquidity here, but there's still possibility since the banks like this area for the market just to come back, right? And look at all this liquidity that it created here. So it has to create a nice pullback to take all of that out and maybe continue going up, right? Because it's in bullish momentum, you know, higher high. It just created another higher high. It's probably gonna create a lower low, and maybe a head and shoulders. Who knows? Another sell, you know, or it's gonna break through into this area. See, that's what he's seeing as well. Like it might just push through the next area that the banks like. So the banks like that area too.
No, we're not in this trade. It was just a possibility, but not liking this momentum.
They're lit. These guys really know how to trade, yo. I respect them. I respect them. They actually they peeped a lot of game. I'm pretty sure they paid thousands of dollars to learn, because at the end of the day, that's what it takes. You gotta pay money to learn, guys. Like money, like nothing's given. I'm over here like paying for mentorships. I'm paying for this, paying for that. Like I'm learning a lot of shit. Like putting in work, you know. And I actually put in the work too. I go buy accounts and I try them out and I freaking go to war, you know. And that's what you're supposed to do, you know. Like get your own, be your own, get your own bread, get your own accounts. Stop depending on people, you know. That's super key. Like stop leeching off and shit, you know. Become your own man type shit. And that's what I grew up on. I grew up on just holding myself down, not depending on nobody. You know, thank God for everything that He made me that way. Never had to like depend on nobody. I always hustle. You know, I was a hustler by nature, yo. If we had
how many days you got left on the account? How many days you got left on the account?
Like 2 days.
Well, you better change it.
I need to get my emotions back in order until I start trading again. Because right now I'm upset. If I trade upset, I'm gonna probably drop like 200 lots and fuck it all up. So I'm gonna chill. See, I like this sell. I like this sell right here. That's a nice sell setup. Like we're risking. You want to risk high, you want to risk big ass lots. You gotta have a small stop loss. If you're gonna risk big ass lots, right? You want to drop 50 lots, fucking 100 lots. Look at the stop loss. 9 pip stop loss. You know.
You came back up or what?
That's dope. That's dope. So we're gonna go ahead and drop fucking. Let me see. We're gonna go heavy on this trade. If I like this, I'm gonna go heavy. Let me see. What is dollar going in?
Like, you came back up or what? Or kept taking?
We waiting. The dollar's still dropping. The dollar keeps dropping, we wait. Like that's our key right here. We look at the dollar.
If EU goes, the dollar crash, EU goes up. You know that, right?
Yeah. Dollar's gonna crack. The dollar's gonna crack, bro.
Yeah, that's why I just want to see how it
reaction. So it's still dropping. So that's how you trade EU, guys. You always look at the dollar. Where the dollar is heading, EU goes. Why? Because they're 90% correlated.
A little bit of a bullish
Super
market
key.
right now.
Entry. This is wrong. See your stop loss, yummy. I see what you did wrong. If that's your entry right here, your stop loss should have been under this low.
That 15 minute.
That stop loss here was too tight. Your stop loss should have been here, and you should have calculated better. You know, if you were going to risk 50 lots, right? You're going to risk 50 lots here. You're going to risk 1%. How many pips was that? Let's take a look at that. So how many pips did you risk? Let me see. So your entry was at 201. 201. On what?
Potentially.
I'm tripping.
Even if there is, I'm just gonna leave it alone now.
1640.
I'd rather be in one of my 1 hours before we take it.
1640.
It's a safer play.
1640. Right. See, you had the right bias, but your stop loss was too tight. You cannot, you gotta let it breathe, bro. Look, if your fibs, this is why the fibs are so important. You know, your fibs tell you everything you need to know about where to put everything. You know, you put your fibs
Exactly.
right there, boom, right? So you know your OTEs are somewhere here, right? That's your OTE entries, right? You know the order block is over here, right? Order block's right there. So where you gonna put your stop loss? Down here. You know, you're gonna leave it rooms for it to come down, test that area, and shoot back up, right? So your stop loss, you want it to keep a tight stop loss, you gotta wait for it to come at least to like the 90%. That would have been like a 3-pip stop loss. Then you could freaking drop 50 lots. Because you dropped 50 bucks, but you lost 250 to catch 30. You know, that's decent, you know?
But it wouldn't be like a clean
But
just because.
well, yeah, your stop loss was way too tight.
1 hour, plus it didn't really come out of the zone either.
Stop loss was
We
way
never
too
had a really
tight.
good structure here.
Hope you learned your lesson
Higher
and
time frame.
just keep trading, bro. Keep learning.
So I think all this would be, it was just liquidity.
And if you want to use
I think it's
also the
somewhat
dollar
just swing.
as part of your confluence, this is going to be very beneficial, right? You want to trade EU, become an expert on the dollar, yo. If you learn where the dollar is going, you learn where EU is going. That's the key right here, guys. You learn this, you learn how to where this one's going and that one's going, you're golden. And it's all fibs. Yo, y'all complicated, right? So you put your fibs. Is it called dropping, guys?
The failed lows, very simple. When price pushed down to this level, first
So right
time,
there.
right here, this was considered the low today. So imagine this.
On which account, bro?
Now we're at
On
the
this
low.
one?
Go to the 1 hour, you'll see that.
You use
for this
revenge
entire
trading now,
session,
bro?
because this was New York session yesterday. Okay, this was Asia session yesterday. Today, new trading day. This
But
is
that's
now
decent.
Asia
You only
low.
risk
This is the
160.
lowest that price
See,
has
that's
been
decent.
for today.
That's a decent trade,
So
bro.
now, what
But
we're
you
gonna
cannot
do with
take
that
3
low
G's
concept
of the rip, bro. That's
is we're gonna
1%.
let price play out a little bit.
You gotta risk 10.10%, 0.50%.
When price
And we
comes
were already
back
in profit. I don't even know why you took another trade. That was
to
just,
that
I don't
same
understand.
area, that
I don't comprehend that
start
either,
seeing
bro.
these rejection
We were
points,
already in
that
profit. We
means
have
that
bank
price
like
is
3
probably
Gs
not
that
gonna
we
break
could have
through
just
here.
chilled to New
And if
York,
it doesn't,
bank another 3
that means
Gs,
that price is gonna
wait till
reverse
it's
and start
boom, but
pushing
I don't
up.
understand
How
what's
far
going
is it
on,
gonna
yo.
push up? We're not sure.
Oof,
We just know that this
this
is
is
giving us
stressful
some
as
value
fuck.
entry. And all we do is just let the market do its thing.
So yeah, right here, nice reaction, yo. If you put your fifths down, you know your stop loss is somewhere down. So I don't go by this stop loss. That's like another entry for me. I like my stop loss, or the way I learned from my mentors. You put your stop loss below the lows. Like this bullshit over here about putting a stop loss in this area, that's bullshit. You put your stop loss below these lows down here. That's where your stop loss are at. You know, especially if you're risking big, like you gotta have a sniper entry. Like that's dope, yo. Like a lift, you want to risk big, like tight stop loss. You know, especially when you're already in profit. When you're already in profit, you want to stay in profit. You know, you play with the profit. You play with the profit. Play with the profit. Don't risk more money than you have to. Play with the profit. Just build it up. But yeah, we live and we learn, bro. 17 pips. So from there would have been 17 pips. So you do the math accordingly, right? So from here to here would have been
My favorite entry.
how many pips you should have risked from here to here? Like in EU,
How often do you see those?
right there.
Rank-wise?
Boom. So yeah, I like this area, but I will wait it out. But the dollar do like to respect this OTEs.
Right?
Oh, the dollar do respect this. He likes to respect the OTEs.
I don't take trades out of these zones.
I
I
waited
just
more.
more so it's more of a visually.
Alright, so that's basically a
visually for me to
strategy.
see why prices
You're gonna
react
run,
at a
stop the
certain
call.
rate.